Alright, we're back on it, and as you know, this has got to be dropped 50mm because the body's 50mm too high. So we're gonna slice him here, slice him here, slice him here, and same the other side, and then rebuild it. So here we go. I think that's it. Ta-da! It's off. Ah, simple. Now the other side to do. Like that. The other one's off. Magic of editing. Right, top section to go. Just like that. Ta-da! Off it comes. I'll make a new bit now. Right, well, we cleaned all them up. They're all cleaned up nice. And now we've marked out with some tape where the 50mm's got to be cut off, and we're going to cut them off. 50mm. Right, I thought I'd better put this back on because I've been kind of carried away with it putting you guys on, sorry about that. So this is how far I've got. Cut it down, I've welded them on, and I'm just on this last section now that I'm going to be welding on there. So just one last bit to go and then that's done. I'm going to put some other braces in. I got to cut the two front down first. I'll cut them down 40mm, and then should we go to put the body back on and measure up and see where else needs to be welded in or cut out. So here we go, we're going to weld this up now. There we have it. Like I never touched it, like it's never been off. Huh? Lovely jubbly. There we are. It's got a bit late on me now, so we've got to cut these front bits down tomorrow, cut them down, and then put the body on there, and yeah, tidy. Right, fitting day. It's not looking too bad actually. Not looking too bad at all. There's a couple of little issues I want to address, like these bars here. I'm not happy with that. They're sitting shit there. Other than that, just what I've shaved down is it's quite nice, because that's flush with the bottom of the car. Gotta cut them off. I'm not happy with these at all. I'll cut these totally off, and I'll build new ones off here. Not too bad though.